Hey, what's up, y'all? Bring it in, bring it in. Crysta Talk. We ain't talked in a while, have it? Nope. So I got something to tell y'all. Came to my spirit. It's about them partners, y'all. The men, them women, yeah, them. You know they ain't playing about you. You ain't talked to them all day. And they pulling up to your house like, is you okay? They ain't playing about you. You say something random like, I sure need to get some gas, or I sure ain't ate today. And they hit you with the, what you got a taste for? Or they hit you with the, you ain't stopped by the gas station? Where your keys? They ain't playing about you. And when they get real serious, when normally you go out and you having a good time, stay out late before, they used to ain't say nothing. Now they like, babe, when you come home, babe, why you home so late? What you was doing? Where you at? They really ain't playing about you. They serious about you. And last but not least, they be like, share your location on Snapchat. They trying to see where you at, boo. They trying to see where you at, and they ain't playing about you. Relax. Because what you doing is obviously what they want, and authenticity is number one. When you realize they ain't playing about you, the whole game changed. Crysta Talk. Love y'all.